Professional quality cold laminating and mounting is possible on the entry-level 54EL from Seal. A popular application is laminating prints while applying a backing film at the same time. The lower supply shaft is first loaded with mounting film. The shaft is safely locked in position. Next, the upper supply shaft is unlocked, removed from the machine, and inserted into a roll of laminating film. The loaded shaft will be replaced on the machine so the laminate unwinds from the top. Once in place, the locking plate must be kept in the locked position. Align the film rolls together in the center of the shafts. The 54EL has a user-friendly swing-up infeed table that enables easy film webbing. The lower film is fed between the two rollers. Using the hand wheel, lower the top roller to hold the film. Fold down the infeed table. The upper film is taken over the top roller, then down and evenly stuck to the lower film that is around the lower roller. Then lift up the table. Peel back the release paper. Fold down the infeed table. Expose the double-sided tape on the empty rewind core. The release paper is then lifted and stuck to the rewind core to be wound up during operation. Adjust the rewind tension. Start the roller drive slowly and pull the material from the rear of the rollers. When the exposed adhesive on the leading edge is through, cut it off with a zippy cutter safety knife. Never use open blades near the rollers. The machine is now ready. Prepare a print. Press the forward button. Adjust for a convenient speed. Guide the print squarely into the roller nip. The 54EL can take prints up to 54 inches wide and run at variable speeds up to 14 feet per minute. When no further prints are to be laminated, the rolls of film can be removed after separating with a zippy cutter. One-sided lamination is a straightforward operation. As before, the upper supply shaft is loaded with lamination film, placed back on the machine, and locked into position. The film must unroll from the top. Unwind some film, pulling it between the take-up tube and top roller until about 4 inches can be laid on the infeed table. Prepare the empty take-up core with a strip of double-sided tape and remove its release paper. Lift the laminate from the table and attach it to the adhesive tape on the empty core. Remove the image guide. Peel the laminate from its release liner and place smoothly between the rollers. Put the image guide back in place. The printed media can now be placed squarely on the infeed table until just through the roller nip. Using the hand wheel, fully lower the top roller. The height display will read 0. Press the forward button on the control panel. Let the leading edge of the media enter the rollers. Stop the laminator. Lift any film that is stuck to the output table and cut the exposed adhesive area off. The machine is now ready to over-laminate the rest of the media. Hint: for best results, the laminate should never be wider than the media. An adhesive-coated image picture is to be mounted on a rigid substrate of up to 1 inch thick. Fold back about 1 inch of the release liner from one end of the print. Turn the print over and align on the substrate. Smooth down the exposed adhesive edge onto the substrate. Using the hand wheel, preset the roller gap to the substrate thickness. Push the already fixed end of the substrate into the rollers and drive through for about 1.5 inches and stop. Place the loose end of the print over the top roller and start pulling the release liner from the print. Start the machine using the foot switch. Now, pull off evenly the remaining release liner from the print. At the same time, hold the print smoothly against the upper roller so that it cannot fold or crease. The foot pedal enables you to work with both hands free. Professional cold laminating and mounting using high-quality protective laminates and films is an easily achieved operation when using the 54EL by Seal. Find out about our extensive range of protection and mounting films at www.sealbrands.com.